So hello, I'm the developer of Lewis & Co Photobooth app. So this video is a tutorial on how to download my app. So first you need to visit my website. So I will provide this link below. So to continue with the tutorial, just click the download button. So after clicking this, just click the save button and wait for it to download. Then when it's open, just click the installer to proceed with installing the app. So when it is open, just click more info. Then before doing the run anyway, just disable first the third-party antivirus apps like the Avast antivirus. So yeah, disabling the Windows antivirus is not necessary. Only the third-party ones. So after this, just click the run anyway. Then after that, um, it will show you this installer. So just browse where you want to install it or just click install now. So just wait for it to download. Okay, so after downloading, you can just click here to run the app and click finish. And then done. The installation was complete.